Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up another Lego. This is 30683. It's called McLaren Formula One car. We'll unpackage this and build it for you. Hey, I need a little help from viewers. I have two versions of this Lego here, the McLaren. Well, this one is built with stop motion. Linked to the one above up here is built with speed build. I need to know which of the two you like the best. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me whether you like the speed build or the stop motion the best. It will really help. Thank you. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time.